We video everything, and once we get it tore down, we figure out what we find wrong. We make a video for you privately, link to YouTube video, and then we make you up an estimate, and we send you all that information. Guy made a pretty nice box here. So now that it's on the bench, I'll tear it apart. I'll find out what's going on. We'll write up an estimate. We'll call you and let you know what we found is wrong, and you give us the okay to fix it. We fix it, get it all nice and fresh and cleaned up again, and stick it back in the crate it comes in, ship it right back to you. Okay guys, so when we unbox your motor, this is going to be my very next step, which is to disassemble it, find out what we got going on. We video everything, and once we get it tore down, we figure out what we find wrong. We make a video for you privately, link to YouTube video, and then we make you up an estimate, and we send you all that information. Alright guys, so there's the end of my next step. After this process, I get all my parts and stuff together, and I put them in the cleaning solution. Most likely I let them sit for 24 hours. Take them out, hit them with the pressure washer, bring them back into the sandblaster, get as much stuff off as I can with the sandblaster, take it back out, wash it again, and then I go ahead and start my reassembly after that. Let that sit for the night, and we'll be back in the morning to get that squared away. We'll get this crank and stuff cleaned up, balance shaft there cleaned up. What I mean by cleaned up is get all that rust off of it. So does that. I ain't too concerned about that right there because it's kind of a normal thing. Got our head cleaned up here, surfaced, ready to go. We're gonna get to work on putting it back together. Head back together, valves in her, ready to rock and roll back on the engine. We got our carb studs back in. Like I said, next thing I'm going to do is get the remaining gasket off of the sealing surface of the block and the side cover. We'll move on to clean these cylinders up now. Alright guys, here it is all finished up. Got the exhaust ports taped up. No junk gets in it. It's pretty much ready to go back to the customer. Now we're going to get it loaded back up in his crate over there. And bolt it back down to the crate. So that'll be it, guys. I get that lid screwed down and get this thing over to the scale and out to the UPS driver and back to the customer it goes. Appreciate you watching. If you got any questions about our engine service here, just shoot us a comment, give us a call. We'll be glad to answer any questions for you. And guys, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like and share these videos for us. Get us out there. We appreciate y'all. God bless.